Hello everyone. I created these models I think a year ago, and today we are going to recreate this template. I created it for fun. As you can see, it's a fun thing for starting your project. I like it. It's good for starting your project. It's kind of fun and not boring. It's interesting. Okay, at first we create a new slide. Let's for now make the background white for all of the pages. No, it's not good, not for all of them. It's destroyed the thing we have. Okay, let's go for all of them. After that, we need to create this shape. As you can see, this is not a shape, this is icon. How to insert them? Go here, go to icons. Let's go and see if we can find that item or not. We should use the item from the previous lessons. Okay, let's see. I don't know if we can find it or not, but it's actually here. These icons are very useful in your PowerPoint and make it more beautiful than you can ever think of. Okay, let's see if we can find it. I think we can't find it by now. Okay, I don't see it, but it's not important. We're going to use that icon. You can search here and you find it. Okay, for now, let's go and copy that icon. Paste it. Here, this icon with it. After that, we need to create this past shape here we have. Let's go and create this. For that, we need to create a shape like this. You need to press shift while creating this shape. Why? When you press shift, it's going so smoothly in the same size. Just press shift and create this. After that, we align it in center. You can align it in center by using this tool and then go here and align this shape in center too. And just simply bring it to front. Okay, the shape has been created. Now we need to create this transition. How we can create this? It's very easy. Before that, let me create this transition. We go here, use the rectangle and just paste it here. Okay, it's good, I think. Let me change the size a little. Okay, that's good. That's good for now. Now we need to change the colors. For these two colors, I think it's good to be something more like white, I think good. Okay, let's go with gray that we have. And after that, we search for changing the colors. Let's go with the gray that we have. Okay, it's good. Now we don't need anything like outline for this shape, but we're gonna give it some great shape like this. And after that, we are going to remove the outline from here too. Okay, we copy it first time. We copy this slide, and in the copy we just put this a little back. Sorry, we need to find a way to push it from here, I think. To it, don't change size. Okay, we zoom a little and we come it by a middle. Copy another time and here drop back by a little. Okay, now we need to do something great. What we are going to do, we are going to change the background color. For first background, we need black, let's say, and then apply to all. After applying to all, in the next thing, we just reduce the transparency of the black to 50%, and the last one, reduce it to 100%. Now let's go and see what happened to our slide. Let's give it the transition morph. And after that, the important thing we need to do, is we are going to use time transition. What we are going to say after 0 second, go to next slide, and then let's run it. You can see it's as smooth as possible, but we have the ways to make it better. What we are gonna to do, as you can see here, when we click in transition, this shape is not working well. What we can do for that, let's think we have this form and we are going to create another form. What we do, just call it 50%, and this is 0. The different thing we are going to do, we are going to create a shape here, a rectangle, put it here, and we are going to say slide background color and the shape outline to none. Some of you may ask why. Okay, but just let's copy it here, copy it here. Now what we do, we just copy this shape, paste it here, and then push it back till here and send it to back. Delete this shape, delete this shape, paste here, push it to back, send to back. Okay, let's review this slide. It's not looking well because we use transparency for this slide. What we're gonna do, we are going to use solid fill, and from the fill eyedrop and use this color. Okay, now let's run it and see what happened. Let's run it from this slide. It's some kind of another animation you can get and choose from. I prefer the first type, but you can use the second type too. It's the conclusion of this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I need your supports. We are in the way to the 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to write the comments, and if you need help, tell me in the comments. Have a good day.